Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Rain or Shine. A few years ago, my husband and I visited some of the best cities in Belgium. Today, I'll be sharing with you our favorite places in this wonderful country, one of the most interesting destinations in the old continent. Belgium, located in northwestern Europe, is, together with the Netherlands and Luxembourg, part of the coastal lowland region of the Low Countries. So here are our top 5 Belgium cities in no particular order. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Brussels is the first city on this list, located in the north-central part of the country. The capital of Belgium is the heart of this European kingdom. Its position between the Flemish region and the French community of Belgium acts like a link between the two most important speaking populations in the country. Brussels can also be considered as the core of modern Europe, considering that the city hosts some of the most important European institutions and it's the de facto capital of the European Union. The Grand Place is the most impressive landmark in the city, and it has been the central square of Brussels since its construction in the 11th century. Despite its almost complete destruction in 1695, its houses were rebuilt and its heritage importance was rediscovered and properly valued in the following centuries. After our visit, we shared 2 full vlogs from Brussels that you can check for more detailed information. There are many interesting monuments to discover in the city, but some of our favorite ones are the Royal Palace, the Parc du Cinquantenaire, and the Atomium. Don't miss the funny mannequin piece. And of course, enjoy the famous Belgian chocolates, waffles, beer, and fries. Bruges is our second choice for this video. It is located in the northwest of Belgium. This wonderfully preserved medieval city, with its enchanting canals and cobbled streets, is the capital of West Flanders in the Flemish region of the country. We must admit that Bruges is one of the most beautiful cities that we have ever visited. Once you step into its historic center, you immediately understand why this city is listed a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Although some may call it the Venice of the North, Bruges has its own unique beauty and it doesn't need to be compared to any other city in the world. Historically, its golden age can be considered between the 12th and 15th centuries, when its importance as a cross-point of the trade routes amid the Hanseatic League and the southern routes gave the innovative merchants of the city a predominant position in European commerce. Unfortunately, the Zwin Channel started to silt up in 1500, and the prosperity of Bruges quickly declined. Luckily to us, this event allowed the old town to be preserved in a more original way, and nowadays, the city attracts millions of tourists every year. Don't miss the opportunity to experience the city with its canals with a boat tour departing from the Rosary Quay. We also posted 2 full vlogs of Bruges where you can learn more details about its most important monuments like the St. Salvador's Cathedral, the Church of Our Lady, and the belfry situated in the Grot Market. Next on our list is Ghent, located also in the Flemish region of Belgium. This port and university city, with its lovely quays and majestic buildings, is the capital of the province of East Flanders. Ghent was one of the largest and richest cities of Northern Europe since the late Middle Ages to the late 16th century. The tall towers of St. Bavos Cathedral, St. Nicholas Church, and the belfry of the city are great examples of the magnificent architecture built in that wealthy period. The position of Ghent between rivers provoked constant floods and created rich grass water meadows. This territory was ideal for herding sheep and producing wool, and the city became the clothing leader industry in Europe during the medieval era. Ghent was also the birthplace of Charles V in 1500, who later became Holy Roman Emperor and the most powerful king in Spain's history. After the 80 Years' War between the Dutch rebels and the Spanish government, the international importance of Ghent dramatically declined. But fortunately, this fact helped to the preservation of most of its stunning historic center. Trade has always been an important aspect for these wealthy Belgian cities. Nowadays, finding new ways to finance travel expenses may seem a hard task, and for that reason, we want to thank Prop 365 for making trade more accessible to our viewers, and of course, for sponsoring this video. No matter where you are in the world, you can always access Prop 365 whenever you have time and take advantage of this excellent opportunity to earn extra income. With Prop 365, you can start trading across various financial markets using a company's demo account rather than your personal funds. Get funded with up to $100,000, keeping 80% of the profits without risking your own money. Simply follow these 3 steps. First, register on Prop 365. Second, purchase a challenge. Pay only $39 by using our 30% discount code included in the description below the video. And third, complete the challenge successfully and unlock your real account to start earning. Challenge's fees will be refunded to you after the first payout. You can also check the Prop 365 Free Academy if you are not familiar with this field or if you want to take your trading skills to the next level. Remember to use our 30% promo code and don't miss this opportunity to gain financial freedom while traveling the world. And now, back to Belgium. Next on our list is Dinant. Located in the heart of the Wallonia region. We are not exaggerating when we say that Dinant is situated in one of the most spectacular settings that we have ever witnessed. Its position on the shores of the River Meuse, surrounded by the Ardennes forest, at a point where the cliffs of the valley raise high over the waters, creates a unique and surreal cityscape. The original town, with its colorful houses, stretched into a thin and long line following the river. A boat tour is therefore the best way to admire the unparalleled beauty of Dinant. Although Dinant is officially a city, its 13,000 inhabitants bring us to confidently say that it's one of the most beautiful small towns in Europe. The most remarkable landmark in Dinant is the Collegiate Church of Notre Dame, rebuilt in the 13th century with a peculiar onion-shaped dome. Take the cable car to visit the citadel rebuilt in 1821 and to enjoy the views from the top of Dinant. Last but not the least, Antwerp, located in the Flemish region of Belgium. If we don't consider the metropolitan area around Brussels, then Antwerp, with its more than 500,000 inhabitants, is the most populated municipality of the country. The port of Antwerp is one of the biggest in the world, and only the Dutch port of Rotterdam is bigger in Europe. Historically, the international importance of Antwerp has been connected to the commerce from its port and to its position as the main hub of diamond trade in the planet. Antwerp has also a monumental grotmark with the alluring Renaissance town hall, presiding the scene, and historical houses with ornamented facades around it. The Cathedral of Our Lady is probably the most exceptional sight in the city. Don't miss the Central train station, considered one of the most beautiful in the world. And the Hatsteen, the oldest standing building of Antwerp. We didn't have much time to include this city in our last trip to Belgium, but Chano visited many years ago and we cannot wait to explore it together in the future. That ends our top 5 cities in Belgium. Let us know in the comment section if you know other interesting places in this country, as we know that there is still so much to explore over there. If you want to know more about our detailed trip to some of these destinations, including tips about accommodation, transportation, and foods, plus other places that we have visited, check our full vlogs of Belgium. Thank you so much for joining us, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel content. It's really important to help us grow our channel in order for us to post more videos in the future. Until next time, keep exploring, rain or shine.